Well, hey guys, how's it going?
Good morning, everybody.
Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt. We are heading through Kentucky, and they are not, let's just say, not the smoothest roads. We thought we'd talk about the Sumo Springs, and we have a video out, which we'll post right up here. We've had these guys for, oh boy, a couple thousand miles now. They do a phenomenal job. As you can see, we're kind of getting bounced around in the truck here. We do have video we'll post in here to show you kind of the Sumo Springs in action. It's a great alternative to your stock suspension. They add on, they bolt on, super simple. If you watch this other video, you'll see how we installed them. But we have been super pleased with these. We cannot recommend Sumo Springs enough. They are fantastic. They are a phenomenal product, and well, we just highly recommend them.
They're so easy to install. I could do it. Let's put it that way.
And the longevity, we did lose 2 off of the Solitude somewhere in, I think it was around Seattle or somewhere.
Yes, those
Another
were really
place
bad
with
roads.
wonderful roads. And to be honest, I think that might have been installer error, because there are 2 different brackets, and I think I put 2 of the same ones on, and it was kind of weird that we happened to lose them both on the right side. But we have replaced them. That's why you'll notice that there's 2 different colors on here, and they are awesome. These ones have made it all the way from Washington to Virginia to all the way back to Colorado to here where we are in Kentucky. So these things are awesome. We've had a lot of little rougher roads, like so. I mean, there's taillights on the side of the road, but the stuff in the camper, like all of our dishes and stuff and our spices and our foods, they just don't move around anymore since we put those Sumo Springs on. So kudos. We'll put the link down in the description, and check it out. So here's that video of our Sumo Springs going down. I think we were at Williamsburg, Virginia, kind of going through the campground, and you can kind of see how they work.
Yep.
So check out this video here. So as you can see, they are pretty simple. They go together real easy. They mount on top of your U-bolt plate, and that's it. They rub against the frame. You know, that's where they mount to bounce off the frame. So as far as suspension-wise, they're fantastic. So we'll put the link down in the description, and if you guys got any questions, let us know. And well, you guys know the rest of the deal, right?
We'll see you next week.
Alrighty, bye-bye.
Bye.